Hello viewers, my name is Sushma. Welcome to Monthly Current Affairs show. In this video, I am going to discuss June current affairs. I have included 50 questions in this video. In my next video, I am going to include 50 more. So please do watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. Time heals wounds. As the time passes, the heals in our body or in our mind will be healed. We have to just wait for the right time. So time heals. We should not get disappointed if you do not get what we want now. So we have to wait. As the time passes, we'll definitely get what we desired for. Without further ado, we'll move to the questions. The first question: IMF recently approved $732 million emergency fund for which of the following country? Try to guess the answer. So, anyways, I'm going to give the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Bangladesh. So we'll see the capital and currency of each country. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka, and the currency is Taka, TAKA, and Sri Lankan capital is Colombo, and its currency is rupee, and Pakistan, Islamabad, and currency is rupee. Iran, its capital is Tehran, and currency is Riyal, and Israel, Jerusalem, capital is Jerusalem, currency is New Shekel. So next question: Bobby Joe Morrow, who passed away recently, was an director, actor, singer, writer, or an athlete? The answer will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is athlete. He was an athlete. Next question: so when is the World Milk Day? So when is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. June 1. 1st June. It is celebrated on 1st June. Don't get confused with the National Milk Day. National Milk Day, it was on 26th November. And the theme of World Milk Day is 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. It's the theme of World Milk Day. Next question 4. Who is the head of the committee appointed by PM Modi for MSME loan scheme implementation? Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, Amitabh Kant, Nirmala Sitharaman, Amit Shah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Rajnath Singh. The answer is Rajnath. Amitabh Kant, he was CEO of Niti Aayog. Nitin Gadkari, and MSME minister also, the Minister of Railway and Roads, and Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister. Amit Shah, Home Minister. Next question: who has been appointed the Vice President of the Confederation of Indian Industry for the year 2020-21? So the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer here is Sanjeev Bajaj. And Uday Kotak is the president of CII, and he is vice president. Next question: Union Cabinet chaired by PM Modi had given its approval to rename which port as Shyama Prakash Mukherjee Port? The answer: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kolkata. The answer is Kolkata. Kolkata port as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. It is Shyam Prasad. Next question: the central government has recently launched Swadesh. What is the last S in Swadesh? Skill, scale, Swachh, support. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is support. The full form of Swadesh. There may be another question. What is the full form of Swadesh? Or what is the first S in Swadesh? So the full form is skilled workers arrival, skilled workers arrival database database for employment, support, for employment support. The first bilateral virtual summit of India was held with which of the following country? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Australia. Australia. Next question. 9. Basu Chatterjee, who passed away recently, was a singer, writer, social activist, filmmaker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is filmmaker. Next question. Which state government launched Spandan campaign to check suicide and fratricide among its personals? So fratricide means killing your sibling, murder of sibling, either brother or sister. Spandan campaign. Answer 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is Chhattisgarh. The Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel. Bhupesh Baghel. And Governor Ansuya Uki. Next question. Lieutenant Governor G.C. Murmu launched Jammu and Kashmir Employees Salary Tracker mobile app named Mera Hak, Mera Salary, Mera Vetan, Early Salary. The answer is Mera Vetan. And the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh is R.K. Mathur. Radhakrishna Mathur. Next question. RBI has recently created a payments infrastructure development fund of how much amount? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 500 crore. So there may be another question based on the full form. So what is P in PIDF? So the answer will be payments, or it may be any I or D or F. F fund, D development, I infrastructure, P payments. Next question. WCD, what is the full form of WCD? Means Women and Child Development Ministry. Women and Child Development Ministry. That is Smriti Irani. Has constituted task force headed by whom to examine issues related to lowering maternal mortality rate. The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Jaya Jetli. And this task force also examines the issues related to infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, total fraternity rate, sex ratio at birth, and child sex ratio, CSR, child sex ratio. Next, we'll move to the next question. What is the theme of World Food Safety Day observed on 7th June? There may be one more question. When is World Food Safety Day observed? So answer is 7th June. For this question, in 5 seconds, the answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Food safety, everyone's business. Food safety, everyone's business is the right answer. Next question. 15th. Who has been appointed the Chief Risk Officer of Karnataka Bank? There may be questions based on this type of question. 15th. The answer in 5 seconds. Who has been appointed the Chief Risk Officer of Karnataka Bank? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ramesh, yes. And the headquarters of Karnataka Bank is Mangaluru. 16th. Which union territory topped in food safety index released by FSSAI? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is Chandigarh. And food safety index, it is released in 3 categories. One is larger states, smaller states, and union territory. So among larger states, the Gujarat topped, and among smaller states, Goa, and among union territories, it is Chandigarh. Next question. What is the nanotechnology based disinfectant spray developed by DITE Pune to fight COVID-19? So the full form of DITE is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. The answer in 5 seconds. Arugya, Ananya, Acharya, Apurna. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is Ananya, and it is effective for more than 24 hours. The spray is effective for more than 24 hours. Next question. Which is the first Indian state that started to provide jobs for migrant laborers through the Rozgar Setu portal? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. And CM, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next question. Poonam Avlokan is a routine monthly exercise conducted for estimating the population of it of the following animal. The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Asiatic lion. Next question. Which is the first airport in India to deploy a tech-enabled smart irrigation system? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Bangalore International Airport. First airport in India to deploy a tech-enabled smart irrigation system. It is Bangalore International Airport. Next question, 21. Who has been named the recipient of the World Food Prize 2020? Answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is Ratan Lal. Next. World Day Against Child Labour is observed on which of the following day? Answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 12th June. And the theme of World Day Against Child Labour is COVID-19, protect children, from child labor now more than ever during this pandemic. They have to protected more than ever. Next question. P. Ray Kurunziza passed away recently. He was the president of which of the following country? Answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Burundi. And the capital of Burundi is Gitega. And its currency is franc. And Zambia, its capital is Lusaka, and its currency is Kwacha. And Vietnam's capital is Hanoi, and its currency is Dong. Next, Tunisia, its currency is its capital is Tunis, currency is dinar. Next, 24. Who launched the Arogyapath portal for healthcare supply chain? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is CSIR. The full form of CSIR is the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. 25. Which is the app launched by Punjab government for COVID-19 house-to-house surveillance? So, Punjab. There might be another question. Which state launched for COVID-19 house-to-house surveillance? The answer will be Punjab. But for now, what is the app's name? What is the name of the app? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Ghar Ghar Nigrani. And it was launched through video conference. and it was conducted for people above 30 years. People above 30 years. Next question. Who is the head of the RBI panel formed to review ownership and corporate structure of private sector banks? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is V.K. Mohanty, and he was the RBI Central Board Director. Next question. When is World Elder Abuse Awareness Day? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 15th June. The theme of this day is building strong support for elders. Strong support for elders. Next question. And 12th August it is celebrated as Youth Day, International Youth Day. Next. Capital of Malawi. What is the capital of Malawi? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Lilongwe. And its currency is Kwacha. Its currency is also Kwacha. And currency of another country which is same as Kwacha is Zambia. Kampala is the capital of Uganda. Is the capital of Uganda, and currency is New Shilling. And Damascus is the capital of Syria, and currency is pound. And Paramaribo is the capital of Suriname, and its currency is dollar. It is recently in use, so you must remember this capital and currency. South Sudan is the capital. Juba is the capital of South Sudan, and its currency is pound. Next question. Vasant Raiji, who passed away at the age of 100, was a well-known footballer, golfer, boxer, cricketer. So the answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is cricketer, and he was the India's oldest first-class cricketer. Next question. Under the Magnetic Maharashtra 2.0 initiative, government signed MOUs worth dash rupees with various companies. The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 16,000 crore. So the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. And there might be another question. What is the state? So they might give the amount, and they might ask what is the state. So the answer is Maharashtra. The next question. Which of the following is the Ayurvedic face mask developed by Defence Institute of Advanced Technology, DITE? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Pavitra Pati, and it was launched by Ministry of Ayush, and he is Sripad Yesso Nayak, and his constituency is North Goa constituency. Next. 32. What is the theme of the 2020 World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought observed on 17th June? So there might be another question. When is the date? They might ask the question, asking the date of the day. So answer is 17th June. Answer for this question on the screen will be in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is food, feed, fiber. Next question. Which of the following country topped in World Competitive Index released by Institute for Management Development? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Singapore, and India is at 43rd rank. India's rank is 43. Next question. Which of the following bank sanctioned 3,000 crore to provide potable water to every household in Manipur? Another question asking state. It is Manipur. So for this question, the answer will be in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is NDB, National Development Bank. its headquarters is in Shanghai, and its headquarters is in Beijing, and its headquarters Manila, Philippines. IMF headquarters it is Wall, Washington DC. Next question. Air20 app was launched in which of the following state to keep citizens informed about the availability of ventilators? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Maharashtra. And there might be another question. So which state launched what is the name of the app launched by Maharashtra to keep citizens informed about availability of ventilators? It is Air20. Another question in the same question. 36. Which of the following economist from India was awarded the Peace Prize of German book trade? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Amartya Sen. Next question. And he was awarded for his decades-long work on the question on as a question of global justice. This was the question he worked on. Global justice. For this he was awarded the Peace Prize of German book trade. Next question. Which of the following IIT developed infusion technology for herbs in the mid-Himalayan region to help farmers? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. IIT Mandi is the right answer. Next. Which of the following former governor of the RBI to be appointed the chairman of NIPFP? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Urjit Patel. And the full form of NIPFP is National Institute of Public Finance, and they might give the full form, so you have to remember this also. National Institute of Public Finance and Policy. Next question. Sixth International Yoga Day was observed on which of the following day? It is a very simple question. The answer is 21st June. And the theme of this day is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Yoga for Health and Yoga at Home. Next question. Which state has emerged as champion in the procurement of minor forest producers under the minimum support price for MFP? MFP means minor forest producers scheme. Under this scheme, the answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is Chhattisgarh. Next question. When is World Rainforest Day? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, the answer is actually 22nd June. This is the right answer. I forgot to give the answer in this question, in the multiple choice questions. In the multiple choices, the answer for this question is 22nd June. So 23rd July. So 23rd June. 23rd June is International Olympic Day. And 21st June it is International Yoga Day. And 26th June it is International Day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking. And the theme of this International Day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking is better knowledge for better care. Better knowledge for better care. Next, and 29th June it was celebrated as National Statistics Day. Statistics. But the answer for this question is 22nd June. So answer fifth one, 22nd June. Next question. Ranjit Gaul, who passed away at the age of 77, was well known. Answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is cricketer. And Vasant Raiji was also a cricketer. And he was also a cricketer who passed away recently at the age of 100. Vasant Raiji. Next question. Which of the following is the newly launched loan product of Karnataka Bank for MSMEs? The Minister of MSME is Nitin Gadkari. The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. KBL Micro Mitra. The answer is fifth option, KBL Micro Mitra. Next question. Under the CGSSD scheme, the full form of CGSSD is Credit Guarantee Scheme for Subordinate Debt. Credit Guarantee Scheme for Subordinate Debt. Debt means this one. The B is silent. Debt. You have to pronounce it as debt. From promoters of the MSMEs will be given credit to equal to 15% of their stake or with our dash rupees, whichever is lower. The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is 75 lakh. Next question. Which of the following countries will host the 2023 Women's World Cup? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is both 2 and 3. Australia and New Zealand will host 2023 Women's World Cup. Next question. Which of the following team won the 2019-20 English Premier League title? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Liverpool. Next question. Which cricketer has been nominated to be the first female MCC president in 233 years? So MCC means Marylebone Cricket Club. The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Claire Connor, and she was nominated by Kumar Sangakkara. He is the current incumbent in MCC. Next question. Which of the following agency launched the behavior change campaign navigating the new normal? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Niti Aayog. And it is related. The campaign is related to behavior norms during the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. Next question. And Niti Aayog's CEO is Amitabh Kant. Next. Which state government is planning to launch a Kill Corona campaign from July 1 to control the spread of coronavirus in the state? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Kill Corona campaign. There might be another question. Madhya Pradesh launched which of the following campaign to control the spread of coronavirus in the state? So the answer is Kill Corona. Next question. And the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next question. Next and last question of the session. Which is the world's largest plasma therapy trials for COVID-19 launched by the Maharashtra government? The answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Project Platina. There might be another question. Which is the world's largest plasma therapy trials for COVID-19 launched by? Or another question might be Project Platina was launched by which of the following state? The answer is Maharashtra. And one more question. Recently Delhi launched Plasma Bank. This is the first state to launch Plasma Bank. Kerala also announced to launch plasma bank. Thank you. Please like, share my video, subscribe, and click on the bell icon next so that you'll get my next notification. Thank you. Please do watch it. Thank you.